Hello and welcome back in another tutorial of the basic Java tutorial series. In this tutorial we're gonna talk about basically math operation math operations like subtraction, addition, multiplication and dividing. Division, I think. Well, I'm not English, so don't yell at me because I don't yeah. I can't really speak that English that well, so yeah. Let's just get started. Um, First of all, I'm gonna declare a variable. Of course, it needs to be static, an integer, and I'm gonna call this number1. And I'm gonna declare it to, let's say, 10. Um, an important thing to note is after each line of code, you need to have those what are they called? I can't remember. Uh, I'm not gonna pause the video to look it up, but just this sign. Again, I formatted. So, and I'm gonna take another variable called number2, and I'm gonna set it to like 5. So, and sys out, and I'm gonna do number. Print a little piece of text. Number 1 equals, and then just add number 1 to it. Let's do the same for number 2. We've already talked about this, so you already know it. And if you don't, just watch my other tutorial on basic variables. So as you can see, it prints out number 1 equals 10 and number 2 equals 5. So let's say we want to add those numbers together. So let's first make a little sentence here. Number 1 and number 2 number 1 plus number 2 equals, and then here we basically do the math operation. So it's really easy actually. As you can see, what you actually do in math is you just put a addition sign in between the two numbers and you just add. It's not that difficult. So now you just do number 1 plus number 2. By the way, this isn't gonna work, I think. Let's run it. No, it's gonna just make it a string format. So what you have to do is put it in parentheses. So this code gets executed first, just like in math, and then this number, those numbers together, will be added to this little sentence. So let's run, and as you can see, it number 1 plus number 2 equals 15, and that's correct because 10 plus 5 is 15. And in case you didn't know that, just go back to school and learn some basic math and not waste your time with programming in Java, because yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard if you can't do just basic math operations. So yeah, of course, what we can do is subtract. So we just use subtract those two numbers, and as you can see, number 1 minus number 2 equals 5. And yeah, nothing to say about it. But what we also can do is just make another variable, another variable in this method, and call this it's an int. We don't have to make it static because it's already in this method. We call this sum equals number1 plus number2, and then just change this to sum plus no errors, and then execute. We get the plus. Don't do the wrong operation. This has nothing to do on the actual operation because the actual operation is done in this line of code. So yeah, again, it's just right. And when we do subtraction minus and change this subtraction. Also, a neat thing, if we change this back, if you select this and right click and refactor and then rename, you can rename it subtraction, and as you can see here it just changes it automatically to the refactor. Yeah, you know, I think you understand. And this, just press enter and it changes this variable automatically with it. And then when you do this, it subtracts again. And let's do some multiplication. Multiplication. Yeah, I spelled it right, I think. Equals number 1 times number 2. You just use this little asterisk or wildcard thingy to multiply. As well, if you just type a little bit of the variable and you press Control space, it will show your auto fill in thingy. So yeah, it just works with everything. If you can see here, I just can really fast access that variable. So let's change this, and then it should be 50. And as you can see, it's 50. And again, for division, wow, if I can spell, division and division, and just you need this forward slash to divide. It's like it cuts them in 2 pieces. Yeah, just remember it. It's not that hard. If you just if you're confused right now, just stop with the series. I mean, I don't want to scare you off, but it's gonna be a lot harder if you don't understand it. I mean, I would be pleased if you watch all my videos, but yeah, it's way more easier if you just understand what I'm saying, you know. So let's execute this, and as you can see, 10 divided by 2 equals divided by 5 equals 2. So yeah, those are basic math operations, and yeah, that's kind of it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, hope you learned, and I'll see you next time in the next video. So yeah, bye.